topic is inverse function. Okay, dear students, before going to read about inverse function, I will tell you what is a function. Yes, function is an expression in which we have one or more than one variable. For example, here we have f of x, x plus 2. Here we have only one variable in this expression. This is a function. Before going to explain inverse function, I will tell you how to get a function. Here we have two sets, set A and set B. In set A, we have elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in set B, we have the elements 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the question arises how we get this set B. Now again come to your expression, that is f of x, x plus 2. Now what we will do? We will put the value of x from this set A. Here we have x is 1. When x is 1, we will simply put 1 in place of x in the above expression. Here we have x plus 2. Now when we have the value of x is 1, we will put in place of x 1 and we get 1 plus 2, 3. So we will write in front of 1 the value 3. Now again we have the second element, that is 2. Now we will put 2 in place of x. You will see 2 plus 2 becomes 4. So we will get the next value of 2, that is 4. Now we have the element 3. Again putting the value of x 3, we will get the next value 3 plus 2, 5. Similarly, we can also find the value of 4 by putting the value of x 4 in the given expression. We will get the value of y, that is set B 6. I hope now you understand the meaning of function. Now we will move to the inverse function. Okay, dear students, for inverse function, what we have done, we simply change the arrows. For example, here we replace the set B with set A. If we reverse the direction of the arrows as shown in the figure, that is map set B is into set A. Instead, we get a new function called the inverse function. An inverse function is denoted by f inverse. F inverse. This is called the inverse function. Thank you. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to solve the question of inverse. We have a function f of x 5x minus 4. Find inverse function f inverse of x and also evaluate inverse function of 5, minus 10 and minus 1 by 2. First of all, what you will do, write here solution. Write down the function which is given to you, that is f of x is given to you 5x minus 4. We have written over here. Now suppose the whole function is equal to y. We are going to assume it. Let y is equals to 5x minus 4. From here you can find out the value of x. How? Now first of all, transfer minus 4 from left hand side to the right hand side. And you know, whenever we transfer the term, the sign will also change. So minus 4 will move. When move on the other side, it will become plus 4. Y plus 4, and here we have 5x. We need only x, so 5 and x both are multiplying over here, and when we transfer 5 to the other side of the equation, then it will be in the reverse operation, that is it will be divided over on the other side. So we will get y plus 4 over 5 is equals to x. From here we can find the value of x. But this is not our requirement. We have to find the inverse function of x. So what we will do, we will come that f of x is equals to y, and from here f inverse of x we have to find, that is equals to x. Now we will write the whole term in the terms of y variable. As you know that the question is in x variable form and we have to find the inverse. So first of all we will write the whole question in terms of y. What we will get, f inverse of y is equals to, f inverse of y is equals to x, and we have find out the value on the above equation that x is y plus 4. So simply we will write here y plus 4 over 5. This is the requirement, inverse function of y. And now we will come to the part of the question which is written here, that evaluate the inverse function of 5. It's mean that we have to find the value of inverse function of 5. So simply we will put 5 in place of y in the whole equation. So we have y plus 4 over 5. Simply putting 5 plus 4 over 5, you will get 5 plus 4 becomes 9, 9 by 5. And here we will do the simple division. Similarly, I have done over here 5 ones are 5 and 9 minus 4. When we subtract these two terms, we will get 4. And we will write the answer in the whole ratio, 1 whole 4 by 5, the answer. Okay, dear students, you can find out the values of minus 10 and minus 1 by 2, simple 1 by 2, by putting the value, by following the whole procedure, and simply in place of y, you will write minus 10 and you will get the remaining answer. And in the last question, you have to find the value of 1 by 2. So simply by following the above procedure, you will write in place of y 1 by 2 and you will get the answer. I hope you understand the whole inverse function, and for more exercise questions you have to follow my next video. Thank you.
For more videos, join my YouTube channel, colin//www.youtube.com and learn with my MMA HJA and ISA for 609.